Hey everybody, with the new update to GarageBand yesterday and the new pack that they put out with the 5 new electronic kits, I was trying to think of ways that would be super easy to get these into Logic because, hey, there's more content and I think they actually sound pretty interesting. So I'm going to start in GarageBand. I figured this out. It wasn't working previously, but right now this technique seems to be working really well. So I'm going to create a new project, and in it I'm going to go to Beat Sequencer on the drums. I'm going to go in here now under the little sliders at the top, and where it says Modern 808, I'm going to find one of these kits that I want to use. So I'm going to do Spaced Out, and let's actually just record a little bit of this into the project. Okay, just a little bit. Now let's leave the project. I want to change the name to Spaced Out. And now on my computer over here, in my iCloud drive under GarageBand for iOS, I'm going to go down to where it says Spaced Out. I'm going to click Copy, paste that on my desktop, right click on this, open with Logic Pro, and it'll make a Logic project for that. And this is the key part. It says some additional content is needed for this project. Do you want to download it now? I'm going to say download, enter the system password, and then we have not only the part that got recorded, even though it's not in the step sequencer, we actually could shrink this down. So right click on it, say convert to pattern region. It's going to get most of it. Okay, cool. And then over on the side, you'll see the sampler has the Spaced Out kit loaded. It's being stored in the drums and percussion electronic drums. Let's see, down lower looks like. Right there. So it's added it to our library. Just the kit, not all of the actual effects. So if you want to add those as a preset, then we could do save channel strip setting as, and it's spaced out. Now, if we're loading up something here, we can go to the library, and under user channel strip settings, you can see spaced out. We could make a folder. I've already done Dust Bowl and chopped up from the same kit release that they did. But now we have it. So let's push play. Cool. And now we have the pattern, we have the kit, we have all this content coming in, even though eventually it'll come to Logic anyway. If you want to get a jump on that and use some of these things, this is the way to do it. Pretty straightforward, simple a way of taking that content from GarageBand early.